Okay, so this is another project. This is a very small project. I'm using the 80 tiny chip with MIDI input and this cable is MIDI output for some basic MIDI translation stuff. So this is powered by the MIDI interface. So I have my MIDI keyboard here. It's already plugged in. It's working, and I have my MIDI cable coming here, and I'm just using the MIDI power, which is 5 volts with a resistor on the host, so it drops the voltage, actually the current, not the voltage, but the 80 tiny can handle that without problem. So let me turn on the unit. You can see it flashes indicating that it's working, and any key I press here is going to flash the light and play on my computer. You can see the MIDI information. And right now the mode I have is that I can use the lower keys here to select the MIDI channel directly. So this is MIDI channel 1, this is MIDI channel 2. So if I play a key now, it plays on MIDI channel 3 actually, not 2, sorry, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I press there, it's going to get me the drums section on MIDI channel 10. And right now I have some space left on this 80 tiny, so you can tell me some ideas for this, because the project is going to be a very small PCB, which with the MIDI cable coming in like this directly to the board without a connector, and the MIDI cable in and out, just attach it to the board and secure it in a way already designed. So it's going to be a MIDI cable in the middle, a small PCB. I'm going to use SMD because the 80 tiny gets very small on SMD, and we don't have many other stuff on the board, just a resistor for the reset on the 80 tiny, a resistor for the LED, a capacitor. The electrolytic capacitor maybe we don't need, I have to check. A button to select the different modes, and this on and off is not going to be added. I'm just using here just to show the board turning on. So if I hold the button, the LED is going to stay on until I press a mode key. The mode key is on the middle C. This is the first mode. This is just a generic echo, so it does nothing, just echoes the MIDI input to the output. The second mode is a key switch, and the third mode is a MIDI channel selection. Those are the 3 modes right now. So if I select the key switch here, I press this, the LED is going to stop being on, indicating that I select a mode. Now I have to select the low key, the highest key, a root, and 2 root keys. Why 2? Let's say I have a root key here for this device. It's going to be this key, but I can have on our device this key as the second root key. So if I press here, it's going to stop sending notes. It's going to send note offs, just send note offs. But if I press the right key for this device, it's going to select that and start sending note ons. And if I press another key here, it will stop playing. So if I have, let's say, 2 of these cables, one going for one cable with the box, with the 80 tiny, going to the sound module 1, and another cable going to sound module 2, I can have different key zones selected on module 1 and module 2, and then I can select which module I'm going to send MIDI information to, just selecting the keys here below. So it's simple as that. What else can I say? Well, pretty much just that. So I'm powering with the, let's see if I can focus on the board here. It's a mess of wires. Not much to see here, but just the 80 tiny, getting the power from the MIDI cable, the capacitor, the button, the LED, and that's it. It's a very simple design. The hard part was the software actually, because the 80 tiny has very little memory, but it works. I just need now your support by telling me what you think about this project, what you think I should also add. I'm thinking on an arpeggiator, so if you need a very simple arpeggiator, you can just use this cable and select the arpeggiator mode. Let's say you select the arpeggiator mode, then you tell how many octaves it's going to be, and then you can use the modulation wheel for the speed, things like that. So let's see. So I just really need your input now. Then I'm going to merge the two projects I had. The two projects were the MIDI box and the key switch. I'm just going to merge both and make a single project and update the site. So that's it. Thanks for watching.